Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. India's Life Insurance Corporation files for $8 billion IPO. State-run Life Insurance Corporation of India, or LIC, has filed draft papers with the market regulator to sell 5% of its shares to potentially raise nearly $8 billion, dwarfing the biggest IPO in Asia's third largest economy by a considerable margin. The offering is crucial to the Narendra Modi-led government's effort to meet its sharply trimmed divestment target for the current financial year and will provide a measure of the success of the government's pro-market policies. India's largest insurer will be selling 316.25 million shares, according to the draft prospectus filed on Sunday, amounting to nearly 5% of the offer paid-up share capital. The government could raise a little more than 6 billion India's rupees or $7.97 billion from the insurance rather than the initial plan for about 900 billion rupees. Having trimmed the offering because of market conditions, a government source said. The filing also stated an embedded value of 5.39 billion India's rupee or $71.56 billion. The embedded value is a measure of future cash flows in life insurance companies and a key financial gauge for insurers. The IPO is seen as a test of investor appetite for new offerings, with the number of companies that listed last year now trending below their offer prices on concern over lofty valuation and looming increase the interest rates by global central banks fighting inflationary pressures. The expected listing also comes against the backdrop of foreign investors pulling out funds from the domestic market. The life insurance giant, which had more than 105,000 full-time employees at the end of September and counts itself among the top 5 global insurers, managed more than $500 billion of assets and holds more than 60% of India's life insurance market by premiums. LIC has more than 280 million policies in force, and a report by Brand Finance has put the insurer's brand value at $8.66 billion. So, the government's scaling back of its privatization target to $10.5 billion raised uncertainty about the size of the planned LIC offering. Government officials have said investors shouldn't assume the revised target points to a smaller than expected IPO for LIC. India's most recent IPO by a life insurer was in 2017 when HDFC Life Insurance raised $1.3 billion. Its share price has nearly doubled since the listing. LIC planned offering will dwarf the record $2.5 billion IPO by payment company Paytm last year, though Paytm's IPO was then the country's biggest. The shares have since fallen 58% from its offer price. Indian companies raised a record $16.6 billion through initial share sales in 2021, 52% more than the previous record high in 2017. Revenue data shows the LIC listing could make it one of India's five biggest companies by market capitalization, joining energy to telecoms group Reliance Industry Software Services Company TCS, HDFC Bank, and IT giant Invoice. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video and bye bye.